www.gemvote.com. That is the place to go if you want to vote for me, Winnie Pusoetsile. I'm an actor, a storyteller, and I want to tell your story right there at Hollywood. Till death do us part. Do you remember those words? Guess what? I got a surprise for you. It's over. It's so over. I'm killing you tonight. You said you love me. And guess what? You lied to me. I saw the SMS. You told her you love me. Don't come any step closer, because I'm going to blow your brains off. I gave my heart out to you. I gave you my innocence. And this is how you repay me? By lying to me. I